from Docking Bay 7 in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I have gotten one of my all-time favorite quick service dining options, and that's the Felician Kefta garden spread. If you can see right here, these are actually plant-based meatballs, and then we have a hummus, and we have a vegetable spread, and of course we have some pita. So first, to get the most out of this, you have to dip the plant-based meatball in the hummus and give it a bite here. So they changed it up a little. It used to be 2 big meatballs. Now it's 4 smaller meatballs. I was afraid that they would have changed up some of the seasoning or something like that. They did not. This is the same meal I fell in love with the first time I came to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This is the Felician Kefta garden spread, 100% plant-based. I'll have a little bit of the pita. It's warm pita bread. It's warm, it's soft, it's not some of that stale tasting pita bread you can tend to get sometimes in theme parks. And then of course there's vegetables and tomatoes. I know tomatoes aren't a vegetable. Cut up on the side as well if you want to mix that in with everything else. It is a really, really good meal. Fairly affordable by Disney standards. It's $12.99. So for a quick service entree, that's basically what you're going to pay everywhere on property. So I definitely recommend this. It is probably the best plant-based option on property, especially for a quick service plant-based option. It's at Docking Bay 7 in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thanks for joining me.